We already had a first look at how we can switch between different pages in our application in the last modules, but that was a very basic look. There's so much more you can do in an Ionic and Angular app. And in this module, you will therefore learn about all the different ways of switching between pages, and that does not just mean how to trigger these switches, but mostly also how to implement things like tabs and so on. To be precise, we'll have a look at the Angular router and the Ionic nav controller. You haven't heard about the nav controller yet, but this is another tool that can help us with switching pages, though you will learn that you primarily use the Angular router. You will learn how to add tabs to your application, so a tab-based navigation if you want to. You will learn how to add a side drawer, which you can use for other things than navigation too, but you will also learn how to use it for navigation in this module. You will learn how to use overlays, or specifically a modal, which is also kind of a navigation since it occupies the page and gives the user a new page on top of the other one, so to say. And we'll, at the end of the module, also dive into guards, which is a feature provided by Angular, not something coming from Ionic, but still a feature we can use, of course, in Ionic Angular apps, which can help us, for example, with things like authentication. So, a lot of ground to cover. Let's dive right into it.